Okay guys, so we are back again. For my luck today, Balázs is there as well from Easy Automator, and he will support me and help me to master all of this stuff. What we will do right now with this tool, which we already have on the robot and which we already defined in the robot DK station file, we will just come to this virtual TCP or virtual working point of your stationary machine. And we want to check out that we are really on one line, we are really symmetrical, or really a kind of extension of this tool should be our tool on the robot, okay? So with this one, we will define the point and the orientation of this remote tool. This is a very crucial step. So depending on the stationary machine, what you have and what you will use, please think about what is the best possible method with your robot, what you have on hand, to reach the goal that you can really define the point and the orientation of this tool. This is not an easy task, but all you guys who want to use a kind of remote TCP application, this is something what you have to master on your own. Unfortunately, we can't do this for you. It's not so easy because this will be different from machine to machine, but we will show you how it works with this particular setup, and then hopefully you will get the point and you will be able to reproduce it. So Balázs, I will propose we just try to move there. I try to help you with this one, and I'm not sure. I think the rest should be done in jog mode. Okay, and for your information, so I'm a little bit out of the image, we have this kind of support tool, and we will show with this method if we can see any kind of lights, trim, any kind of light coming through here. I think this is good. So Balázs, if you can stop it a little bit, and if you can position this tool, I will get the other camera just to show for our audience what I'm exactly talking about. So you can see here, oh, this is not even so easy to get it sharp. I'll try to do my best. Okay, so you can see here the both tools. And Balázs will just place it on the top, and you can see here that this looks quite well. So we do not really see, oh, here we can see a small light gap between the two. So this is depending on your tool, what you are using. This is what you have to try to avoid to get it really one by one as a linear extension over the whole stuff. Just coming back to here that you can see and enjoy. So Balázs is right now is just doing not only just from one direction, but really rotating around this tool around the two tips. Right now we have a very, but we have a rather easy situation, as this is a symmetrical tool. If it's not the case for you, then you really have to think about how you can figure this out, how you can make this each tip a kind of extension of your virtual tool. And I think you should be ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in remote.
Okay. So we just switched back in remote mode. And I just have to add, it's very crucial, guys. You just have to select the base coordinate system, and we are just adding a new target. I just read out the robot position. Okay, seems to be good. And I just hit the teach current position. So with this one, this target gets exactly this position what we defined. And as a next, under the base, again, we just add a new frame. And this new frame will be renamed Workpiece. Okay, so what we have to do right now, we just copy the coordinates of the target and we will paste it to the workpiece. So I just, with F3, I just opened up the options menu of both features. So the target is, here you can see these are the coordinates. So what I'm doing, I'm just copy this and I'm just coming to the base and I just hit the paste button. You can see here that all the coordinates, including the orientation, are copied. So I can save it. Actually, we do not need this target anymore. So because it is just easier for you, I think I will just simply remove it. So delete. I save the file again. As next, we are ready with the basic setup. So right now we just defined the tool on the robot. We defined the frame in front of our robot. And with this configuration, we just defined the remote TCP, the virtual TCP, and we just created a workpiece called Workpiece Frame out of this. And right now we will just remove this tool from the robot and we will replace it with a gripper. And on this gripper, we will be able to fix, to catch our workpiece, and all of the further steps will be done with this one. So right now we are just doing a break here. We just change the tool and then we are coming back and we show you further on how to move on.